I have a fisher&paykel dishwasher DW60CSX1. It worked fine for the last 12 months. Now it comes up with E4 fault. Installation is as per Diag 3. Can you please offer a suggestion?
Hello, thanks for using this service. I am sorry to hear you are having problems with your dishwasher frown. Is the dishwasher hooked up to a sink drain or garbage disposer?
Sink drain spigot as per Diag 3.
Have you removed the drain hose to check how the unit is draining? The E4 error message is indicating you have a problem with the machine draining. You will need to see if the machine is the problem or if the drain in the house is slow or clogged up. Have you checked out the filters in the bottom of the machine, under the lower wash arm?
I've disconnected the hose from spigot, emptied the water out, used a vac to suck it clear in case there was a blockage, and cleaned out filter and dishwasher. After doing the above, dishwasher worker for 20 minutes, then came up with E4 fault again. I've checked the drain and it is flowing properly, as the house is only 12 months old.
How long does it take to empty the dishwasher if full of water? It should drain out completely when the machine starts up. Fill the machine with water and then cancel and restart it. Use your watch and time it. It should drain out within 2 minutes.
Once the E4 fault comes up, it doesn't restart again, unless I drain the water out the bottom. How does the dishwasher discharge the water? Does it have a pump to discharge? Could this be the problem?
Yes, there is a drain pump in the bottom of the machine that drains the water out. You have either one of two problems on your washer. The drain pump is failing and is pumping too slow for the time that the computer allows, or the drain hose have something stuck inside and it partially blocking the flow of water. You need to pull the machine out and go from the end of the hose back to the drain pump. Did you have any other questions before I move on?
Just completed pulling out pump. Initially wouldn't rotate it, now it does, and double checking hose is clear. Machine running for 5 minutes. We will see if that has fixed it.
Great, if the pump was not turning, that would cause the error code. I am going to move on to another question. Feel free to come back and ask any other questions. I will see them pop up on my answer board. Have a great day. Thanks.
Thanks for your help. Machine is still running after 20 minutes.
Thanks. Ja is rating my help. Are you satisfied with my answers?
I'm satisfied, just waiting for cycle to finish before submitting. Cycle completed. Looks like we have had success. Thanks for your help.
One last thing. If this happens again with the pump not turning, you will have to replace the pump. It normally means that the seal is leaking and the bearings are starting to get tight.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.